Hi. What if I told you that 80% of clutter in your home is probably coming from just a handful of items you rarely use, rarely need, and often forget you even own? Now, stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll have a professional organizer's decluttering idea of 27 items you can remove today to create noticeable space and reduce your stress. Now, have you ever looked around your home and wondered where all this stuff came from? You clean, you organize, you put things away, yet somehow the clutter keeps coming back. As a professional organizer, I've found the most people aren't struggling because they need more storage. They're struggling because they are keeping too many things that they no longer even need or use. Now, today I'm going to share about 27 items you can declutter right away. Grab a donation box and let's get started. Number one is expired spices. Now, these are spices that have been sitting in there forever and you no longer use. It's probably a good idea to just when you buy spices, just put a date on it so you'll know how long it's been sitting there and whether or not you use it or not. Two, duplicate utensils. You probably don't need 6 spatulas or 6 pairs of scissors. 3, water bottles without lids. If it can't function, let it go. Or how about, how many water bottles does each person in your family actually use? 4, take out condiment packets. Keep a few, toss the rest. 5, chipped dishes. Damaged items create visual clutter. Now, in the pantry, I'm sure you might have expired foods. Now, I'm not talking about thing in your pantry that's expired. You know, some things do last longer than the expiration date. But what I am talking about is like for me, now I no longer have it, I have thrown it away. But one time I bought a box of pancake mix because all I had to do was add water. So I thought, if all I had to do is add water, I will make pancakes. Well, I don't know what it is about pancakes, but because I'm not in the habit of making them for breakfast, I usually make eggs. I forgot about this box, and even though it was easy, just add water, I never used it. I When I finally decided to look at the expiration date, it was many, 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 many years expired. So I threw it away unopened. 7 is unused specialty ingredients. 8 is broken storage containers. 9, containers without matching lids. 10, duplicate pantry items. Now, it is okay to have a couple of backup containers of rice, but when you have so many that they won't fit on the shelf, that's when you have too many. That's when I use the see-through containers so you know when you need more rice and when you don't. I'm just using rice as an example. Now, 11, clothes that don't fit. Now, if you'd like, you can keep